So recently, I posted about, 'di ba, yung amber na nabasag. Mga nagko-comment kasi or may nagtatanong sa akin, ano ba yung amber? So explain ko na. Crystal of the day. Alright. So amber is actually a type of crystal. Okay, crystal siya. Pero actually how it's formed is that it's sap ng puno. Alam niyo yun, yung parang dagta na naghuhulog from the tree. They solidify. Tapos napabaon sila sa lupa and then napapressurize sila. That's how they become solid as rock. And then they are called as amber. Ayan, sobrang tigas niyan. So hindi na siya yung malagkit and so on. So there are three different kinds of amber. The first one is Baltic amber. So ito, ang age ito is around 44 to 49 million years old. So yung honey color yan. Honey color. Ayan. Yan normally yung mga itsura ng Baltic amber. And then next is Dominican amber. So Dominican amber, mas bata to, around 15 to 20 million years old lang to. And wala kasi ko ng Dominican amber pero ito hindi siya like that. Pero it's super duper light color. Maputla siya. Ganun. And then we also have what we call Burmese amber. Ito personally favorite ko to. This is roughly around 95 to 100 million years old. So like for example, ito. This is a Burmese amber. Ayan, nakikita mo yan. And ayan. So, iba yung color niya, diba? It's a different color niya. So, makita mo, ayan. These are Burmese amber. So, super dark. And super matigas talaga siya. Ayan, ganyan. So, personal favorite ko are Burmese ambers kasi sila yung oldest. And sila madalas yung nakukuhaan ng mga magagandang fossil. Tapos, ito yung collection ko. So, we have here ito. Burmese ambers itong mga to. So, ito, meron siyang insekto sa loob. I'm not sure if you can see it, pero zoom natin. Tingnan natin kung kaya ng phone natin. If you can see, may insect siya sa loob. So, we have here a wasp. Kita niyo ba? It's it's there. Ayan. It's super tiny. Yes, very nice. Ayan, okay. Why I like amber so much kasi is because it's like pag may ganito ka, para kami piece of history. Alam mo yun, yung imbes sa museum mo na nakikita, meron kang kapiranggot dyan na fossil na hawak mo and it's so nice.